Hi! The team of 200 Italian recipes want to show you how easy it is to cook Italian food. Here we're going to demonstrate gnocchi of semolina powder, recipe number 17 at page 38 of the section First Courses. The preparation time is about 30 minutes and the cooking one is around 35. To prepare this dish, we need the following ingredients: 3.2 cups of milk, 7 ounces of semolina powder, 2.8 ounces of butter or margarine, 1 tablespoon of grated Gruyere or Parmesan cheese, 1 egg yolk, optional ingredient, 3.5 ounces of grated Parmesan, salt, and nutmeg. The number of servings for this recipe is about 4 people. Let's cook! Boil the milk with 1.4 ounces of butter, salt, and a pinch of nutmeg. Pour the semolina powder slowly. Cook it on a medium heat, keeping on stirring, until the mix will detach from the bottom. When cooking is done, add Gruyere cheese and the egg yolk. Wet some large serving dishes and arrange the mix with a spoon. Grease a roasting pan. When cold, take a glass with a diameter of 1.5 or 2 inches and cut lots of discs. Sprinkle with Parmesan and some butter. Heat the oven to 446 Fahrenheit and cook it until a gilled crust will form. Did you see how fun and quick it is to prepare healthy and light meals following the Mediterranean cuisine? Visit our website 200italianrecipes.com. You can download some free recipes or join our complete collection.